Hello everybody and welcome back to another video on my iPad. It might be another one for me, but it's not really, it might be another one for you, not sure, depends when this gets uploaded. But in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go online on Minecraft. A lot of people do not know you can actually do this or do not know how to do it. So first of all you want to go into Safari or Google. I'm going to use Google. And you want to have a look, you want to type in, where is it? You want to type in, it's not on there, okay. You want to type in Minecraft Pocket Edition, PE, sign up. And you want to go on to register Minecraft Pocket Edition server list. And you can create something on this which will help you online, which you just need to fill those details and then do the captcha and then press register and you'll get our account on this, which is really handy for certain servers because you get servers that are like, oh, go to this website and type in your username and then say the server number and you'll get 32 diamonds for the server and stuff. And it is actually really good. I've showed you, no, I've not showed you that on any of my things yet. Then after that, what you want to do is you want to go onto your Minecraft app. You will need to pay $4.99 for this app if you do not already have it. Most people who are watching this tutorial probably already have it. Oh no, what am I doing? You want to make sure this is not something that would be typed in very commonly. And then you want to go on to, I'll show you some servers I like. So one of the best servers that you get is this one here called Lifeboat SG, and there's lots of different types of LBSG servers. And how you want to get them is, none of this will be here for you, none of this code writing. It will just be your worlds that you have actually made. So for example, these ones. To get these ones up so you can actually join servers, what you're wanting to do is you want to click new, and then you're wanting to click create, there's the button next to create world with a plus and an arrow on it. You want to click that button. Now all different servers have different IPs. For example, the LBSG one is, the quickest way to get onto it is play.lbsg.net, and that will put you straight onto our world. But then you just leave the port as it is for LBSG, and you can type in whatever you want in the name, but you need to have something. But here, on LBSG, I know you can actually type in stuff like LBSG, say 25. You're better searching up another video if you're wanting to learn about that stuff in .net and stuff or something like that, and it'll put you onto a certain server. So you could say to a friend at school, "Oh, meet me on LBSG 5," and it would put you onto a server with them if they're already on it. So that's a good way. If you're wanting to learn about that stuff, I would suggest watching somebody else's video. I'm not quite sure how that works. Then you want to click add server after you've done that, and then the server will appear here. And if you do the one that I showed you, play.lbsg.net, it'll come up with this one here, and you can just hop right onto the server by clicking the button, and it will say locating server, and you'll get here. And if it says what it says at the top of mine, so it says for me, this account is registered, please type in your password or change usernames. So if it says that and this is the first time you've been on the server, it means you'll need to change your username. And you should, if it does say that, then I would keep changing it until it eventually says one where it says this account is available to register, and it will allow you to type in a password you want, and then you type it in again, and it'll register your account, and every time you want to come on and play a game, you can come on and you can just type in the password in the chat. It won't show anybody it, but and then it'll log you in, and you'll get to play these mini games. So for example, this one, this server LBSG is a really good server. It's got survival games in there. It's got the walls, which I do not believe is currently open. I think that is closed right now. No, just doing the red block. And you have Spleef. I'm not sure how to get into a game of Spleef right now. I'm really not sure. It's puzzling. And you also get the parkour in the lobby and stuff. And you can upgrade on this version to VIP and VIP Plus, and it'll give you advantages and stuff. And yeah, there's lots of different servers. Another good server is called it's a YouTuber server. I'm not sure of its name. It'll say on somewhere on one of the rooms on this. This is a faction server. It's called Server 1. The IP is server1.minecraftbuild.com and no, buildoff.com, sorry. And you type that in and it will put you on. And I believe the thing for that, the thing is normal. So, yeah. So, thing's normal, the thingy. But yeah, it's a really good way to come on and play with friends. And while I'm at it, I'll show you how to change skins. So, to change skins, lots of people get puzzled by this as well. You can just okay, so you're on your main menu, you cannot do this in game, and you click the button with the tools on it. And then you can come to the one with all the faces on it, and click that, and it'll come up with all these skins, and all you need to do to change them is tap them, and it'll switch you between. Or you can click these skin packs, but most of the skins in them do have to be purchased. But there's also another one called Browse, which will be empty. This is just my skin. And the way you can get stuff in there is if you go onto Google and you can search Minecraft skins. So just type in Minecraft skins. Minecraft skins. And you can go on and you can go into the top one, it should be, and you'll get put onto this website, and you get all these different skins. So yeah, you get all these different skins, and you can flick through them, and do stuff on them. But you can also flick between, say if you want something from a movie, you can go into this one, and you can get Elsa and stuff, and Spider-Man, Superman, Woody, all sorts. Or you can go to TV, games, people, fantasy, mobs, or other. And other is other is everything. You can get Iron Steve and other and all sorts. You can also get YouTuber skins and stuff, I've noticed. So say I wanted, let's say I wanted Gizzy Gaza's skin. I'm not sure if this is going to work. I could go into the search bar and I can type in Gizzy Gaza. Might not work, not sure. So it's autocorrect Gaza. Search it in. Somebody might not have made it. So you see, no skins found. Nobody's made a Gizzy Gaza one. But say if you wanted a Stampy skin, you can search Stampy, and it's got Stampy skin. Or you could do, say, one of my friends used this, Sonic, and it'll show you Sonics. And you can, to get them actually onto your game, you need to click it, and then you want to click download. And the change one allows you to change parts of it. It's not too good for changing. I don't know what the edit does, but you can click download, and then to get it onto your actual thing, you want to just kind of hold down on the thing, or tap it. no, it's not really going to work, I don't think, because it never works on my Google, this one, but it works on my Safari. So if you are going to do this, I would suggest using Safari for it. And you just want to hold down on it, and it'll come up with a button called, say, add to images or add to photos. And you can then go on to your Minecraft, and you can go back onto this, and you can click this, and then you can go to my photo stream, and you can click all these different ones down the bottom. So say I wanted this skin, I could go into it. This one won't work, and this is a wee glitch sometimes that will happen. But to get it fixed, all you need to do, go into, say, a different one. Say, like, I was just on my photo stream, so I would not click on my photo stream if you're going to do this, because sometimes it's a bit glitchy. You go into camera roll, and you can click all these different ones. So you can click, like, say if I wanted this one, and then I can click either the Alex version or Steve version. I often go with Steve, and I've now got that skin equipped. But yeah, that's kind of how you do them, and yeah, it's just a really cool things that you can do, and you can go into all these different servers I've got saved and stuff. And it's just a really cool thing you can do if you want to go and play with friends. And I'll quickly mention that this all is free. None of it costs anything, and you can find a lot more servers on YouTube if you just search Minecraft Pocket Edition servers. That's where I found most of them. But yeah, there's lots of different stuff you can do, and I hope this video didn't help you. And another way to do your skin is, I found this app called SkinSeed. It's on the App Store, and you just click it, and you can go on, and you can go and you can search skins, or you can start with default skins, and you can actually like draw out the skin and copy it and do all sorts with them, and it's just a really good app. But yeah, so that's it for this episode. I hope this did help you all. That bit at the beginning you don't need to do, but it is handy to do it. And yeah, hope this did help you, and I hope you all had a wonderful day. Goodbye!